Before we start the video, make sure you go and you leave a like right now and you subscribe to the channel. Alright, so today we're going to do a build and ride video. We've got 2 hours to build. We're going to build a berm over there, that's our plan. So we're going to build a big enough berm over there. And you're going to come down here. See, and you're going to jump in between them 2 trees there. And then down here, we're going to have a jump that's going to land in there or else over there. And then we're going to build another berm up there. It's a wee bit broken, but it'll still work. Been at this for about 20 minutes right now. We've done this and we've cleared out that berm. This jump's coming into shape now. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump through these 2 trees. In the middle of building this trail here, starting on this here jump right here. And this robin right there, I don't know if you can see him, he just keeps coming over to us. He's right beside me. We got a good bit of that berm cleared out. Here we are. We've done this berm pretty good. And that jump down there, we're gonna head it now very soon. Alright, we're gonna hit this here jump now for the first time. It looks tiny, but it's actually pretty scary. We've done the entire trail, we've built the whole trail. We're thinking that there's another trail down there. There's another trail like over there. We're thinking about going over there and riding that trail. Maybe doing some stuff to it, maybe building like a wee jump on it. Finally back. My knee pads are completely mucked. It's all muck and look at my bottoms. They're screwed. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe on the video. Okay.